drop you to the airport.
And yes, for those of you wondering, we don't have to home quarantine, but just to be safe and for the safety of my family, I did self-isolate for 5 days. I waited if I had any symptoms. I didn't. And my recommendation is please do wear your mask, sanitize your hands if you're traveling, and travel only if you really need to. Yeah, that's it. We're Simi and Amrit. I'm elder, she's younger. We've been frequently traveling for over 2 years now, but finally, thanks to the pandemic, we're able to share all our travel videos from the last few years. Come enjoy these beautiful destinations. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. We promise you will be glad that you did. We post every Sunday. So I'm flying from Delhi to Bangalore today. Getting off the car, here I'm wearing my mask, actually my shield. Gotta make sure we're protected. Clearly the bag is too heavy. I have too many dresses for the wedding. But yeah, in the end, here I am. My sister's taking some shots for her Instagram. If you don't follow us there, follow us. Our handle is Life with the Singh Sisters. I've linked all our social media handles in the description box below. So I just got into the airport. They checked my finger, but they didn't check my Arogya Setu app, even though I have it downloaded. So nowhere at the Delhi airport did they ask us to pull down our masks to check our IDs. They actually checked it through the masks, which is not the best. But Arogya Setu app on the airport is not compulsory. I read an article later on which said that the government's rule that it's not compulsory while traveling. So the airlines are avoiding giving out paper boarding passes and also baggage tags. So if you print out your own boarding passes or download it on your phone, you can use it from there. For Vistara, they had texted me on my phone with the baggage tag details, so that was really cool. And they also have some self check-in counters, so you don't have to interact with the check-in agents. So that's really cool. I mean, everybody was socially distanced. Since I'm vegan and I wasn't sure that the airport would have restaurants open, I actually packed my own food and took, which I ate near the check-in gate. So these are the waiting chairs, quite socially distanced. Looks good, quite empty. People are not waiting unnecessarily like they used to. Kinda running late, but that's okay. I'm in business class. So this is the new Airbus 321 that Vistara Airlines has just bought. They have lie flat seats in business class. It was extremely comfortable. Here you can see they even have charging points, unlike the other A320 business class seats. They also had a nice flat screen in front. Face shields and face masks are compulsory inside the aircraft. If you don't have your own, the airline will provide it to you during boarding.
दोस्तों आप अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांधने के लिए मेटल टिप को बकल में डालें और पेटी को अपने आराम अनुसार बांधें.
So initially while booking my ticket, the Vistara agent said that they won't be serving hot meals, but to my surprise they did serve a really nice hot meal. I actually got some vegan options. I was really hungry, so that's good. So I just deboarded, and deboarding happened row by row. Surprisingly, people didn't stand up as soon as the flight stopped, so that was good. And yeah, now I'm in Bangalore, super excited for my friend's wedding. So we actually took an Uber home. The Bangalore airport has a dedicated Uber pickup point, so you just book your Uber, and whatever Uber is available next, you just enter your Uber pin and you're good to go. Self-check-in kiosks. Bangalore airport much better following protocols than the Delhi airport. They actually asked us to pull down our masks while checking our IDs, unlike Delhi airport, where at Delhi airport they didn't really ask us to pull down our masks to check our IDs. So yeah, but the thing is, nobody's checking the Aarogya Setu app, so I don't know how that works, but whatever. Getting ready to go to the lounge. It's on the second floor, so we have lines on the ground floor itself where they're checking a boarding pass or whatever. On the second floor. Unfortunately, the lounge at Bangalore airport, the domestic lounge, didn't have any vegan options. So the only thing they had was fruits and vegetables or like a salad. I didn't want to eat a salad, so I had a few bananas. But yeah, each chair was marked on which you can sit or not sit. It was being sanitized regularly, and even the food was being served at the buffet counter by a server, so that not many people are touching the utensils. So that was really cool. Finally heading to my flight. Again at the Bangalore airport as well, each chair was marked with where you can and cannot sit, and people were actually following it, so that was good. I felt pretty safe flying. Before we got onto the flight, we had our temperature check, so that was good. And we're off. So this is the business class for the Airbus 320. It doesn't have lie flat seats. I clearly had the whole business class to myself. I've done a review for this before in one of my earlier videos. I'll link it above here in the cards. But yeah, had a very comfortable flight. So I'm sitting here editing my video, and I realized that I didn't show you guys that I got home. But yeah, I got home, just editing the video to be put up tomorrow. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do subscribe, and yeah, please like the video. It means a lot to us. And if you have any feedback for our videos, we're more than happy to get feedback so that we can improve. Thank you. Bye. See you guys soon.